Wake up, it's in front of your eyes. Get woke, stay woke, and realize. Wake up and internalize. Get woke, stay woke, and open your eyes. Wake up, it's in front of your eyes. Get woke, stay woke, and realize. Wake up and internalize. Get woke, stay woke, and open your eyes. Wake up, stay woke.
What it do, YouTube? Woke Reg here, back at you with another woke video. Woo woo! What's going on? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. So you see the title. So today I'm going to talk about 3 life-changing manifestation techniques that helped me in my life. So things I wanted to manifest, I use these techniques and they happened. Now, before I get into these techniques, if you're new, first time checking me out, I need you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my woke videos. Give me a like. Only takes a second to hit that like button, and it's going to help this video to be seen by more people that need to wake up. And please share this all around the internet, because once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Now, it could be a Woke Reg or Woke Nation t-shirt, or I might give away some money, because I know people need money. So I might do either one. But all you have to do is help this channel get to 2,000 subscribers and leave a comment below. I'm going to randomly pick that comment, and that person is going to win either a free t-shirt or some money. Now, if you want to just help me and help this channel, all you got to do is click on the link below and you can get your own shirt right now. So I have a website. Go to that website, buy a Woke Reg shirt or a Woke Nation shirt or a Wake Up shirt, and I also have a No Matrix shirts there, and order those shirts. And it's going to help me continue to dropping these videos to wake people up. So if you want to do that, that's fine. But if you want to help this channel to grow and win a free t-shirt or win some money, please share this video. All right, let's go ahead and get into these techniques. I only have 3, so I'm not going to be that long on this video. So I have my notes right here, so I might look down. So number 1 is create a vision board. So I created a vision board of things I want to manifest in my life. Now let me show you how the vision board looked. Well, how my vision board looks. And here it is right here. Hope you guys can see it. So this is the vision board. Now, this is my new vision board that I'm trying to manifest, things that I'm going to manifest, no try, that I'm going to manifest very soon. So you see I have car, house, I have an app company, so I have the app that I want to become successful, get a lot of downloads. You see I have Rolex watch. So I have a lot of things I want to manifest. Now, the reason why the vision board works is because when you are constantly looking at something and you're constantly focusing on it, that helps the subconscious mind understand this is what you want to bring into your life. And what I'm doing and what I did in the past to manifest something using a vision board was every day when I wake up, I looked at the vision board and all the things I want to manifest, I closed my eyes after I looked at it and visualized it like it was already there with me. And I did this for like probably 18 seconds to a minute, because they say that it only takes 18 seconds to manifest something. So once you get it in your subconscious mind, instill that in your subconscious mind for 18 seconds or more, I do like a minute, because some people, it takes a while for you to actually visualize it and feel it. So once you visualize it and feel it, and it feels like it's there, right there in front of you, then you can open your eyes and visualize the next thing that you want to bring in your life. So I do this every morning. I look at the vision board, maybe whatever I want to visualize or whatever I want to manifest. I look at the vision board, 18 seconds to a minute, and I do that every morning. Then before I go to bed at night, when I get drowsy and about to fall asleep, I look at the vision board again. The reason why, because in the morning and at night is the best time to want to manifest something. And it's the best time to get into your subconscious mind, because at that time, when your conscious mind is going to rest, your subconscious mind is always there, always available. So that's the best way to get to your subconscious mind if you want to instill something that you're trying to manifest using the vision board. All right, number 2 is keep a journal. And the type of journal you're going to keep is a gratitude journal. So this is what I do, and this is what I did. Every morning and every night, I write down in my journal, my gratitude journal, what I'm thankful for. So in the morning, when you wake up, I write down, I'm thankful to be alive. I'm thankful to be healthy. And I'm thankful to have friends and family. So that's just an example, but you want to try to pick 3 different ones every morning. I know it might be kind of hard, but if you want to say the same 3 every morning, that's fine. All you're going to do is say things that you're thankful for. 3 things that you're thankful for every morning and every night. So like at night, I say, I'm thankful for roof over my head. I'm thankful for clothes on my back. And I'm thankful for, what else I said? I'm thankful for water. You can say anything that you're thankful for, things that happened that day. You can say, if you had a good day and everything was good, say, I'm thankful for having a good day. So you say those things. Well, I'm sorry, you don't say them, you write them down. You say them and you write them down at the same time. It's like you keeping a journal, keeping a diary. So you write those down every night and every morning. So that's what I did to manifest something in my life. It helped. And here's the number 3rd thing. And it's called the 55 times 5 method. Now, the way this works is whatever you want to manifest, you write it down as an affirmation and you write it down 55 times for 5 days. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of work and a lot of writing, but it works, guys. It works. It worked for me when I wanted a certain amount of money. You can manifest anything. It doesn't have to just be money. So, but I wanted a certain type of money, and I needed it within a week. So every day I wrote down, I have this certain amount of money in my bank account. So I wrote that down 55 times in one day. So you don't have to do it in one sitting. You can do it throughout the day. So I wrote it down probably 10 to 15 times every hour. So I did that for 5 days. And on the 6th day, I manifest that money. Now, you want to manifest something that you feel good about. So if you say, I'm going to manifest $1 million in one day, and you never had anything close to $1 million, it's not going to work. But if you had $500 or $600 before in one day, like your paycheck or something like that, and you want to do 1,000. So, and that's what I did. I said, I want to get 1,000 I wanted to have 1,000 in my bank account within 7 days. And it happened because from my job, I get paid $500 to $600 a week or something like that. So it was very easy. It's very easy to see that be manifested in your life because you always get close to that amount. So, but if you feel good about 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, because you had that before in your life and you can manifest that too. So that's the way the method works. I don't know why it's 5. I'm still doing research on that. I'm gonna look that up, and if y'all wanna know, I'll make another video and let y'all know why the number 5 is used in the 55 times 5 method. But that's another good manifestation technique you can use to manifest something. And I use that, and it really helped me to manifest that money. All right, guys, that's it. So before I go, guys, if you're new, first time checking out Woke Reg, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below. I want to know you guys' thoughts on this video. Share this, help this channel get to 2,000 subscribers. And please, guys, if you want to get a shirt and you don't want to wait till I get to 2,000 subscribers so you can maybe get it, I'm just picking one person. But if you want to get a shirt and spread the word, click on that link in the description below. You're going to see where it says Woke Reg merchandise or Woke Reg merch. Click on that link. It takes you to the website. You can order a shirt or a hoodie that says Woke Reg or Woke Nation or Woke or Wake Up or No Matrix. So that's it, guys. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Let's help this channel to grow. We need to wake up. We're on a mission. We need to wake up a lot of people. There's a lot of people in this world that is asleep. So we need to wake them up, guys. All right, that's it. One more thing. I have a TikTok channel that I post 3 to 4 videos every day there. You can learn a lot for as law of attraction, for as meditation, for as the matrix, straw man, chakras, vibration, all kind of stuff you can learn on there. So go to my TikTok. It's in the description too. Click on that link, follow me, check out all my videos. All right, that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you pray, meditate. Everything's going to be all right. And stay woke. Peace.